Hey guys, this is my epic den of Animal Jam. This is the garbage station, and here is destroyed things, destroyed toys, destroyed furniture, and destroyed clothes. And it's a cool place, but look. It's Alpaca's birthday, but then the cake fell on the floor. So here what happened is that I go into the dining room and said, "It's time for," whoa, bam, cake. That was Alpaca's birthday cake, but it fell on the floor. And I take it to the garbage station. And look at this cool thing. It's trying to fix everything, but it didn't work. And this is how I do this. That's a cool. And also you can go on the bridge. And also there's a moving gear, and look at this thing. It's so cool. That's the watering tool. And here we are, go down to the gear and say, "Everybody home?" But if I do this, there's a skunk. You can stop being bad now. And this is a moving light. It goes faster every time I click it. Isn't that cool? Huh? And I'll show you the thing. Here's our wrapped Christmas gifts. I put it in the garbage station for the reason. And the sheep lamp. That is so cute. And I say, and you sit right down like, and you could say, "Oh, cool," and do the stethoscope. And that's all my memories. And the really cool is you open this door and a bunch of bananas. And hope you guys, thanks for watching. Bye.